Build a building, for example, this building, we don't build it bricks by bricks. We have a factory and we cast the
whole wall.
Yeah, the whole wall of this certain floor. We cast it in the factory and we only transfer it from the factory for here just to implant it. We don't need to build bricks by bricks. We already build it in the factory. So we just bring here and we just implant it. So this saves us time and
save time and lower the cost.
Yeah, and lower the cost. And the secondly is the steel formwork system. The steel formwork system is mainly for the tiling of the building. So as we know, by just having the walls all that won't make the building stable. So we require a steel piling at certain point of a few point of the building. So it's like four corner. We need to have the steel that shoot up to depend on the floor, depend on the height of the building. We need that system to make the building stable.
So how does it work? The steel formwork system?
It's like if you build a square building, we need a steel system on the four corner of the building. It's like a short. It's like a square. How to say? It's a square. It's like a square block lah. That
square peg.
It's a square peg that is stored. It's like inside it consists of a lot of steel, iron steel, or
iron is iron, steel is steel.
Mix lah. The composition is mix. It's
okay.
Like 30% carbon, 30% iron is already mixed. Depending on the needs of the building.
Alright.
So next we have the steel framing system. The steel framing system is for the window, the roof, or the certain space of the building. Where, for example, for the roof, during the last time we using the wood to build the roof. But however, in this era, for example, the Petronas, you won't find a single wood in the Petronas Twin Tower building. It's all using the steel framing system.
Of course.
Where you see they use steel to make the frame of the building. That's the steel framing system.
Okay.
So, and as for the prefabricated timber framing system, is more
prefabricated
timber framing system is more to small construction that is mainly for rural areas where you see some homestay they're using a high quality wood system. They use a high quality wood block to build some of their homestay building.
Okay.
So it's like those buildings they are stable, and they are, by using the certain timber inside the wood block, they insert inside the wood block, it are able to withstand 3 to 5 grade of the earthquake currently in Malaysia technology.
Alright.
And for the block work system is actually same with the old system, but because of the new building, we can't cast every single part of the building by using cement or through the factory, because the part from the factory is usually be done in a huge amount, huge volume. We won't cast a small part just to build just to fill in a single space, because it's not up to that efficiency. So maybe we just need to fill a small window, or maybe we need to fill up certain part, so we will use the block work system. So the block work system is instead like a additional plan to a building if the building needs certain small part of change. So you can look at some picture. This is what we say precast concrete, where we build the whole wall in the factory and we transfer to the construction site, and we just implant into the building. So this will save a lot of time. So yeah, this is a steel formwork walls. I mean, on this certain part.
How many percent already, from your understanding, this IPS was being used for the building in Malaysia?
How much I might understand it, I am definitely still not sure. Maybe half, because it's more for me.
Okay, for your info, all the government contracts for building construction, you must use IPS system for at least 70%.
Yeah.
Oh. 70%. This is the example of.
This is a steel frame where we use steel to build the structure, the main structure, the basic structure of the roof, or the window, or the wall. Then we fill in with the precast concrete wall.
For your information, show the steel frame. The steel frame
is
joined at the factory. Some parts of it joined already.
Joined at the factory
and transported
to the construction site to implant it.
Where it will be used.
It will be used
as part of the
building.
So this saves time.
Yeah, this will save time and the labor work.
Yes.
Yeah, if in some customer needs, they don't want, they wish not to use cement or steel in their building. So in fact, in this situation, we will replace it with timber wood. So actually, it's the same. They are using the same concept. Just they are replacing timber wood with steel.